What caused the deadly crash that closed McKnight Road in Ross Township? The answer reveals how a simple mistake turned into a tragic event that shocked the community and shut down a busy road for hours. The deadly crash on McKnight Road was triggered by a sudden stop caused by slippery road conditions from recent rain. Drivers behind could not react in time, leading to a multi-vehicle pileup. This chain reaction caused severe damage and sadly resulted in fatalities. Emergency responders faced challenges due to debris and vehicle positions, which prolonged the road closure. The sequence highlights how weather and quick reactions can create dangerous situations in heavy traffic. Investigations revealed that some drivers were traveling above the speed limit, reducing their ability to stop safely. Distracted driving, such as phone use, was also a factor in delayed reactions. Additionally, certain sections of McKnight Road have tight curves and limited visibility, which compounded the risk. These factors combined to make the crash especially deadly and difficult for emergency teams to navigate quickly. The closure of McKnight Road caused significant disruption in Ross Township and surrounding areas. Commuters faced long delays, and local businesses experienced drops in foot traffic. Emergency crews worked tirelessly to clear wreckage and assist victims. The crash also sparked discussions about improving road safety measures, including better signage and road maintenance during bad weather. It was a stark reminder of how quickly accidents can affect an entire community. Understanding what caused the deadly crash on McKnight Road helps us appreciate the importance of safe driving and road awareness. Weather, speed, and distraction all played roles in this tragedy. Stay alert and cautious every time you drive. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.